Now, today we'll be speaking about division rules for differentiations. Now, if we have two functions, u is function of x, another v is function of x, say u is fx and v is g of x. Now, if we want to differentiate fx upon gx, we have certain rules over here. Now, d by dx of fx upon gx will be here g of x the whole square. Now bring this g of x over here and differentiate f of x minus, keep minus sign. This differentiation is getting over, so keep as it is. Again, differentiate of gx. Okay. Now in division rule, in division rule, it's very, you cannot change. For example, you cannot change. See, for example, if I ask you to differentiate d by dx of sine x upon e raised to x, okay, it will not be same as d by dx of e raised to x upon sine x in division rule, but in the product rule, d by dx of sine x into e raised to x will be same as d by dx of e raised to x into sine x. Therefore, you have to be careful about which one is upper one and which one is downward. So numerator and denominator is very much, you have to be very much concerned. But in the product rule, if you change the functions, for example fx into gx or gx into fx, the answer will be same. So let's take an example for this division rule. Say let's take an example for, say, d by dx of, say, sine x upon sine of x upon e raised to x. What will be? Will be same as, now let's over here, look at over here in this formula, will be same as, now g of x the whole square, here it will be e of x the whole square. Bring this e raised to x over here and differentiate of d by dx of what? Sine of x, and this differentiation is over, so keeping sine of x as it is and differentiation of what? E raised to x. Okay. Now this is same as e raised to x, differentiation of sine x is what? Cos x minus sine of x, d by dx of e raised to x is e raised to x upon e raised to x the whole square is what? E raised to x the whole square is, if we apply indices rule, e raised to x whole square is same as e raised to x into e raised to x. If base are same, we can add a power. Therefore, e raised to x plus x is e raised to twice x. Therefore, e raised to x the whole square is same as e raised to twice x. From here, we can take what common? E raised to x, we can take common over here. E raised to x cos of x minus sin of x upon e raised to 2x. Otherwise, we can get cancel over here. 1 e raised to x, 1 e raised to x will go. Is same as cos of x minus sin of x upon e raised to x. This is one of example for division rule for differentiation.